Hello developers, welcome to Business Intelligence Analytics. Today we will see how to use uppercase, lowercase and capitalize in Qlik while dealing with string functions. So I have some player name which are not in proper case. I have Virat Kohli, KL Rahul, MSD and Shikhar Dhawan. So we will load this data. I will use a proper table name and we will load the data. Now we have data like this player and all the four names are not in proper cases. So we will use three functions here. First one is uppercase. If you want all the string in uppercase, you will go with upper for players as full name 1. Next one will be lowercase. Lowercase of player as full name 2. And third one will be capitalize. So let's load the data. Now we have data like this. I will use a table box to represent all the data and their updated versions. So we have the player. I will promote this, which was first. So we had players which was in Messi, KL Rahul, MSD, Shikhar and Virat Kohli. So we have full name which is in fully uppercase. Second one is lowercase and this is our capitalized format of full name. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.